this video, I'll show you how to redact a PDF using Abbyy Finereader PDF. Welcome to this video. My name is David and I hope you're well wherever you are around the world. Now, I do have a PDF with me here and I'll just open it up. And let's make an assumption you'd like to redact this first line. Now, I'm going to open up Abbyy Finereader PDF. Just open it up. And once I do that, I'm just going to click on PDF document and click on it. And then select the particular document I want to redact. Click on open. Now, once my PDF opens up, it's going to look something like this. From here, all I need to do is just go to security and then click on redact. Once I click on redact, there are a bunch of options right here. That is more or less the colors you'd like to redact to. So right there, you can do some custom colors, more colors, and so on and so forth. But for this video, we are going to just use black right here. Now, I'm going to come and select where I'd like to redact right there and the other line. And once I let go, it's going to more or less give this black sort of reduction. Now, I'm going to go to File, Save As, PDF document, and just more or less call it redacted right there. And then just click on save. And then let's close this. Go back to a document. If you can see, the redacted is right there. Just double click on it. It's going to open up. If you try to select the text right here and copy, there's no text that is visible because that particular section has been redacted. So contents of your PDF are actually safe. And that is how you can use Abbyy Finereader PDF to redact your PDF securely. That's it for this video. I hope it's of value to you. Thanks for watching.